schools that are ranked highly are ranked highly because of the amount of research that's being done there. School rankings at medical school are a little bit misleading and a little bit circular. But in general, the more research dollars you bring in, the higher your ranking is. And when schools are in that sort of research race, they're looking for students to come in that will feed that machine, to be the slaves that do the work and can do so successfully. So when you look at the top schools, the preference for research does go up dramatically. But that means what? What does doing research mean? Well, if you're an undergraduate science major, they expect you've done some undergraduate research, probably have a publication or two, and your advisor is probably good friends with the admissions committee and calling up and saying, this guy's got good hands, or this woman has good hands. That's one kind of research experience. A lot of postbacks don't have that. They weren't science majors. So, how do you get research? Well, the first thing I have to ask you is, do you want it? Do you want to have research experience? Is that something that brings you to medicine? Because I've had many, many, many applicants over the years, really in my office, miserable, sometimes even in tears, over dragging their ass to lab, doing things that they have no interest in doing, and yet, why are you doing this? Well, my roommate, my this, my father, my somebody told me I had to go to medical school. Well, the majority of our post-bac applicants don't have research experience. Can you go to medical school? Well, yes, because they have other passions, and those passions make sense. So we've certainly had a number of students who've come to us from the Peace Corps. They're not interested in doing research. But their people skills, their empathy for others, their ability to cross-culturally relate, their ability to put others first explodes out of that application. So that is certainly the kind of applicant that medical schools are looking for. Now, not everybody has done Peace Corps experiences, but what is your hook to this process? What is your reason for sitting here now? What is your reason to go to medical school? How do you know it's the right choice? What have you done personally to prove it's the right choice? It may have started on a TV show. I mean, I'm not going to pretend that I haven't had people in my office saying, I was watching, ER or Scrubs or, Dr. House over there, and, I saw this and it was really cool. But that's not obviously a reason, right? That's just sort of perhaps a start of a thought process. Many applicants have had severe medical issues, personally or familially. And that is what drove them to saying, I want to